Tonight, we gather not only to reminisce about the cherished memories of our past, but also to celebrate the remarkable journey that has led each and every one of us to this moment. Spanning across generations, return to this alma mater. Your presence here tonight truly exemplifies the enduring spirit of our school community.
Present or not this evening, who contributed to the success of this homecoming.
We're gonna have a good time.
And I would like to thank and welcome everyone to our grand reunion. And I hope everyone will have a great time.
We're gonna have a good time.
Kansa ko pong pag-congratulate San Lorenzo Academy for producing professionals, for producing public servants, and producing entrepreneurs, not just for Piuduran, but also for the entire province of Albay. For that, grabe ang pasalamat po na pili po sa inyong institusyon para pagtatabi kan San Lorenzo Academy.
Throughout the years, our school has stood as a beacon of excellence, shaping the lives of countless individuals who have walked through its halls. From the academic achievements to personal triumphs, each of you has contributed to the rich tapestry of our school's history.
Mas gurak pala ng Wednesday San Lorenzo Tango, pinangatas 1961.
It is with immense gratitude and heartfelt appreciation that I stand before you today as we gather for this joyous occasion, our grand alumni homecoming. It fills me with profound sense of honor and humility, for the history of this institution deeply intertwines with the narrative of my own family.
I would like also to challenge all of us, officers or not, to come together, to work together for the betterment of our alma mater, San Lorenzo Academy.
Let us not only reminisce our past experiences, but also look towards the future with a sense of purpose and responsibility. It is imperative that as graduates of San Lorenzo Academy, we commit ourselves to giving back to our school and our community here in Piuduran. Let us recognize the potential, the accomplishments, and the performance of our school, and invest in his future for the betterment of humanity.
Once again, welcome home, dear alumni, and may tonight be filled with laughter, joy, and a deep sense of pride in all that we have achieved together. Thank you and enjoy the fellowship. God bless us all.